Hi! Welcome to Mrs. Darby and Miss Wilson's second grade class Flipgrid page. You'll know you are here because it will say Mrs. Darby and Miss Wilson's name. It will also have our names up here in the web address. The first thing you're going to do is you enter your student ID. Now remember, your student ID number is the number that you have used in the past for your lunch or to check out a library book. It's usually 7 numbers or 7 digits long. So I'm going to type my number in. And it's going to take me to Mrs. Darby and Miss Wilson's second grade class. And up here, I can see that I'm logged in. It says my name, Miss Wilson. And we have our first Flipgrid assignment. Super exciting. So this is what the assignments will look like when you have a Flipgrid. It usually has a cool little picture that goes with it, along with our written directions. What's really wonderful, if you'd ever like to use it, if you scroll down, you'll find the immersive reader. It's a blue circle with an open book and a little speaker on it. If you click this button, it will read the directions to you. You click play.
Welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green plus below to open the Flipgrid camera.
So this is something you can use anytime, and as you can see, it'll go through all of the directions for you and read it, and you can pause it and play it when you need to. So for our first assignment, what we're going to be doing is making a really short video. We're going to tap the green plus below to open the Flipgrid camera and then record our short video. There's only 2 things that we have to do in our video. We're going to say hello. So we might say, hi, my name is Miss Wilson. And then we're going to share a fun fact about you. It can be anything that you want. These are just some ideas down here if you need some help coming up with one. I know sometimes I do. Also, as you're logged on, you will already see that Mrs. Darby and Miss Wilson have their videos up so you can watch them as an example. So if I keep going down, oh, there's that green plus sign. So we're going to, just like what plus signs do best, we're going to add a new video. So I'm going to click on it to record a response. And then here I am. My camera is going to open. It might ask you if you want to allow access to your camera and your microphone so that you can use Flipgrid. You would say yes, so that you can record the great little video. So remember, in our video, we're going to do 2 things. We are going to, remember the first one? We're going to say hi and who we are. The second one, we're going to say a cool or fun fact about ourselves. So I might, before I record, I might practice. I might just think, okay, I'm going to say, hi, my name is Miss Wilson, and a fun fact about me is that I love to collect all different kinds of crazy hats. Don't know if you recognize this one. It's Poppy from Trolls. Okay, so now I know I'm going to say hi in my name and what my fun fact is going to be. So now that I practiced at least once, I'm going to see the red camera in the button. I'm going to click on that. And when I click on that, it's going to give me a countdown from 3. And as soon as it counts down, it's going to be time for me to record. Here we go. Hi, my name is Miss Wilson, and an interesting fact about me is that I love to collect all different kinds of funky hats. Okay, So then I clicked pause. I'm not recording anymore. See how the little white line stopped right here? It's not recording. I've paused it. If I want to keep talking, I could click the camera button again, but I already said what I needed to, just my two things. So I'm going to click next.
Hi, my name is Miss Wilson, and an interesting fact about me is that I love to collect all different kinds of funky hats. Hi, my
So
name is Miss
notice
Wilson.
it's going to keep replaying my review to see if I like my video. Well, I like it. It said hi and gave my name and my one fun fact. So since it has everything that I want, I'm going to click next. If I didn't like it or I wanted to redo it, I could always click my X. But if I click my X, it's gonna erase my whole video and I start over. We shouldn't have to do that. We're just gonna say, hi, my name is, and one super cool fact about yourself. So after you've done that and you reviewed it, let's go to the next button. And now we have to take a selfie so that we can see who the awesome author of this video is. Just like the camera, we click here to take the picture. If you want, you can add some cool stuff to it, but we don't want to take away from seeing our face. So I might add, I'm going to choose this one because I am so excited for this year. Second grade is my favorite grade. We're going to have an awesome year. So I've got my little emoji, wrong way, my emoji buddy, and now I'm ready to take my profile picture. Are we ready? There's my picture. Then I'm going to select next, but remember, just like before, if I didn't like it, see this little redo? All I'd have to do, click it, and it starts over. So I can click the camera again. Here we go. And there's my selfie. All right, so my display name is Miss Wilson. Yours will just be your name. We just need your first name. My title, hello. And then submit video means I'm going to turn it in. I'm ready to turn it in. And click. Woohoo! Congrats, Miss Wilson. My video has been uploaded. So I can just click complete. And look, now in the responses, there's one response because it's Miss Wilson's response. So if I click it, it should come up.
Hi, my name is Miss Wilson, and an interesting fact about me is that I love to collect all different kinds of funky hats.
Ta-da! We just posted a Flipgrid video all about you saying hello to your first day of second grade. We can't wait to see your awesome videos.